Capello. Wetin dey happen? This one carry red cloth cover body like this. Wetin dey sup now?
See, na yahoo boy I be yahoo boy. I can't go Abali's place. Make I go do plus. Baba come give me this clothes and make I cover am for 1 week. Say that my woman wey dey UK go pay me money.
Now they hear what now?
As I come cover this wrapper for 1 week now, as I come pull am, I come dey shit for body. If I comot am for body now, I go shit. Now I come say make I go back to the Abalis wey give me the juju. I come reach there, they say he don die.
He don die. Hey, no vex.
The Babalawo don die. I don't think come comot the wrapper now. If I comot am, I go shit for body.
Maybe na the ritual be done na no vex
na ritual I dey do. I don't know. You don't tell me say na ritual. Na baby don let you go date it like that.
Maybe when you die na your children go come dey enjoy the money. Na the ritual dey do so.
E dey pay me.
Oh, sorry o. And maybe your friends don buy Benz, you wan follow them buy.
All my friends don buy motor. Now say make I go do.
Your own na motor you go ride now.
I go take buy motor. I wan buy Rolls Royce.
Sorry, your pikin go buy am when you die.
My pikin, I wan buy Rolls Royce.
Sorry, yeah.